Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the UPSC 2023 exam is going to happen this Sunday, May 28th, and so people ask me like what is the cutoff, how many should I attempt. So we'll make 2-3 videos on the series. This is just a 2-minute video just to tell you that 2022 cutoff is now published finally, and so how to check that and how they decide the cutoff, all those things I'll tell you in 2 minutes. Okay, so you should know that UPSC is a competitive paper. Okay, it is not like they fix a cutoff first itself like 90 mark or 100 mark. They just don't know the cutoff themselves because it's all decided based on how many people give the exam that year, how many people perform, that too caste wise, like general category how they perform, OBC how they perform. So based on that the mark is decided. Okay, so that I'll tell you. So now because COVID is over, people are preparing harder, everybody has access to resources, the guidance is better, even we are guiding you day and night. So the paper is getting easier and easier. Okay, because there was a time when 2018-19 it was very tough, then it became like in the COVID time it was unpredictable. Now again everything is back to normal, so the paper is getting easier, so the cutoff is going higher. Even 2022 the cutoff has gone higher, so I'll show you that. This is the cutoff. So first thing is, from where did I get this? Okay, for that you have to always, okay, even if you're 24, 25, 26, whichever aspirant, go to upsc.gov.in. This is the first thing I tell you in my very first foundation video. This website you have to check every now and then. Okay, so today when you go, because the result has come, this pop-up is there. So click on this, go to home page, it will take you to the main website. Okay, so here in this, even though there are many tabs, this examination tab is your key tab. Okay, here is where you get all the information. So see, active exam, forthcoming exam, previous year questions, cutoff mark, answer key. So now if you click on answer key, like 2022, I don't think the answer key has come. Okay, maybe by tonight or tomorrow it will come, because people who gave prelims last year who failed, they don't know their marks even now. Okay, but now because the cutoff has come, this thing also they will release this thing. Okay, the civil service 2022 answer key they will release. Then you can check the answer key and verify your mark again, and then you will know that okay, that is the reason your cutoff was not, you didn't reach it and you failed. Okay, so that is how they do it. So instead of this answer key, now what they have published is, okay, first they publish the result, now they publish the cutoff. So when you click cutoff marks, see a new tab has come, Civil Service Examination 2022, and this, if you click, another tab will open where they have published the qualifying marks. So if you see prelims, mains, everything has cutoff. Okay, many people don't know that mains has cutoff marks. Mains also has a cutoff mark. So prelims is like, if you see, 88 for general and 82 for EWS, 87 for OBC, 74 for SC, 69 for ST, and then PWD category ranging from 40 to 60. Okay, 40 to 50 you can tell, or 50 to 60 you can tell. So here one thing, a new thing which is happening is people run behind this OBC non-creamy layer certificate, and they at least many days they waste on this. But what I will tell is that now there is no great benefit for OBC. Okay, every year the marks of general category and OBC is almost the same. You are not getting any great advantage. Okay, the advantage is for either general EWS people or for the SC/ST people or for the PW people. OBC, I don't know why they are not giving even though after collecting this non-creamy layer, then telling there is a reservation, you will get some benefit, just 0.5 mark or 0.8 mark, and that is not even marks of one question. Okay, one question is 2 marks, and so that much difference is also there, not there between OBC and general. So that is a very unfortunate thing for people who are in OBC. Okay, because many people ask me this, I am explaining. Okay, so that you have to know that whether you are OBC or whether you are general, you are not getting much benefit. You are getting the highest cutoff. You both only have to get. Okay, other people, if you see EWS, there is a 5-6 marks difference. SC/ST has a like 10 to 14, 15 marks difference. So there is a benefit. Okay, now when it comes to mains, there is a little bit benefit for the mains thing. Okay, around 30-35 marks difference is there for the OBC. So that is what I'm telling. Prelims is the biggest eliminator. There you don't have much advantage. Okay, so this again, if you see, now we'll compare this with the 2021 and see, as I told, it's gone higher. And one thing you should know, this is all for the morning GS paper. Okay, CSAT is 33% and qualifying, that is same for every caste. Okay, they have this rule 15 of civil service exam, and based on that it's same for everyone. You have to get 33% mark, and I've already made a video of how to get the 33% easily. Okay, then there is this subject to 10% marks, meaning the papers which you give in mains, at least 10% mark you should get. Okay, not like ethics paper fully you will skip. Okay, you cannot skip one paper and then ask for a rank. Okay, you have to have at least 10% mark in all the papers, meaning 250 marks is like per paper mark, meaning 25 marks at least you should attempt. If you don't attempt that, your paper is not even corrected. Okay, now you will have another doubt, like what if the marks are same? Okay, marks are same for 2 people, that also they have given. Whenever 2 or more candidates have secured equal mark, then what will happen is they have some rules. Okay, commission says some rules. Candidate securing more mark in compulsory paper. and the personality test put together, meaning compulsory paper means not your paper A, paper B, language paper and all. It is this essay and GS papers. This one plus the personality test total, who is higher, meaning they ignore the other papers, okay, the paper A, paper B, and then who has the marks, they will be considered higher. Now suppose after that also you are equal, after that also doing the above thing you are still equal, then the candidate with senior in age, that is ranked higher, okay, meaning both of you will qualify, but the rank higher will be based on that. Okay, so this is the place where you get the thing. Now compare this, okay, with compare 2022 with 21. If you see 87.54 of general became 88.2 in this thing in 2022. Okay, this one, see 82.2 and 87.54. Same like that here, EWS 80, it became 82. OBC 84 became 87. Okay, here SC 75, 74. Okay, so it's almost going in the same range, you can tell. For SC ST, it has gone a little bit down. So this is the thing. Now how they calculate, as I told, like every year they have this around 5 lakh people, 5 lakh students getting the hall ticket, and maybe 3-4 lakh people will give the exam. After that, when based on your performance, okay, it's a comparative relative paper. Based on your performance, they will, after the exam is over, the OMR sheet correction is over, the general category people, the OBC people, the SC people, everything is grouped separately, and then they will, like, the marks will be populated, like 120, okay, 116, in descending order, 114. And then the last slide, they will need a requirement. They will need total of around only 9,000 people, to go and give the mains exam. Okay, only this much people is needed. So here they will decide, okay, this much people we need, and based on that they will put the marks. Okay, here maybe 98, okay, 95, 94, and so the last mark, the last person which they decided, okay, if they decide they will take around 3,000 general category people, around 2,000 OBC people, 1,000, however they decide, and they get that thing right. So that last person's mark is what is this? Okay, this OBC last person's which they decided was 87.54. Anybody who got less than that 87.4 or 87.2, that person is not counted because their limit is over. They want only that many people to go to give mains. Okay. So 87.54 was the last OBC person they decided, 88.2 was the last person general category they decided, like that each category they decided, and finally this cutoff is published. Okay, this is what happens every year. So there is no fixed cutoff. So what will happen next year? Okay, the prediction. So that again, as I told, because the the exam is getting easier, the guidance is getting better, people have more facilities to sit and study, more timeline to sit and study. That is why the cutoff will be same or higher only. It will not go lower. Okay, meaning whatever I showed you above, based on that, general category will go 88 to 91, EWS 82 to 85, OBC 87 to 90. Okay, this if you see is almost same. Okay, general and OBC. For prelims I am telling. Then SC 74 to 77, ST this thing, and PW will be in this thing 50 to 60 range. Okay, because they have within again 1 to 5 series is there, different categories are there, so it will vary. So like that, this is going to be the cutoff. So you now going to give exam on May 28th, you have to get at least, you should target always the highest one. Okay, so at least 91 marks means at least 45 questions, 46 questions you have to make correct. Okay, 46 out of 100 questions if you get correct only, you will get 92 marks out of 200. Okay, for the morning paper. So this one, how to do and how many questions to attempt, that in detail one more video I will make, but this is the overall thing. You have to get 92 marks. Okay, so aim for 100. That's why I always tell, always try to get the best 50 questions correct in the exam. Okay, so now how to get that means you have to practice more and more questions. How much ever notes you prepare, how much ever lectures you listen, it's about the high quality MCQs. That is why the Plum series is there, where more than 160, 170 episodes are there now. There is this economic survey going on now where we are revising it in 12 mini episodes. Okay, 18 minutes, 15 minutes, it's just 12 episodes. You can quickly watch it in one day, one shot, you can watch it. You will revise the economic survey also. Then we have this biggest playlist, elimination playlist. Okay, this has helped clear prelims. Like last year, at least 50-60 people came and messaged me immediately after prelims, said thank you for putting out this playlist. This helped me clear extra 5 questions, extra 10 questions, and that will make a huge difference. So please watch this elimination trick. Okay, simply type this Vysh IAS elimination playlist, you will get this. This 7-8 videos, I have eliminated all the kind of questions which came in UPSC and told you without even having any knowledge, you can solve the questions. Okay, so this if you do, you will be able to clearly clear the prelims on May 28. So how many questions exactly to attempt to reach that 92 marks or 100 marks, that I will do as a part 2 of this video. Okay, today night still I'll try to put it out. So please watch this and that in one go. Okay, don't keep it for tomorrow. So just watch it and then go and clear the exam on May 28.